Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Instinct Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to press and hold the menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, make sure that the watch face option is selected. If it's not, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, but select the watch face option and then press the GPS button. And here we have the list of watch faces, and we can scroll through them by pressing the up and down button. Now find the watch face you like to use on your watch and then press the GPS button and select the apply option and press the GPS button again to apply the watch face on your watch. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so let's open the watch face menu again. Find some watch face we can customize, for example this one. We can press once you select the watch face, of course, you can press the GPS button, and you have, besides the apply, you have the customize button, or other option, my bad. Select it, then press the GPS button, and now we can customize some widgets. As you can see, we can select something like, I don't know, notifications. I can see the solar, lunar, battery, and stuff like that. Select the widget you like, then press the GPS button, and then we can change the different widget right here above the clock. Next we have the widget below the clock. Then we have this widget like this, and then this one, next one, and last one. And once you're done and press the GPS button, your watch face will be applied with the settings. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.